media. Yes, man.
Okay. My producers have just informed me that our weather correspondent is out in the field as there is currently a snowstorm. Let's go to him. Kevin. Kevin, can you hear me? Kevin. Kevin. What is the weather like out there, Kevin?
But man, you go ask me what the weather like, you're blind? It has snow! It has snow and it cold! It rascal and cold!
Oh, Kevin, remember, we are live.
Yeah, if you don't know what you're here, they will fuck off.
There might be kids watching.
Them can fuck off too!
Ladies and gentlemen at home, we apologize. It seems our correspondent may be having
yeah, man, me talking now,
a bad day.
You talk about man have a bad day, bad day. From 9:30 me out at this morning, 9:30. What time now? 10 o'clock at night. All you give money, all you shoot the blanket and scandal back on me. For what? Where this gonna protect me from? Which call is gonna protect me from? I'm out here look like one knockoff Alibaba. Yeah, I bet you move your bum bubble in the dark. Every day up in the studio warm. When time to go Hawaii and then place there, your first one go. When the fucking place them come up, Kevin here me call. Dog, I will come and give it a run for another place to you. That me I tell you to you about you. Nobody else know I come out and do when time I call time. When time rain and fall. I mean, I don't want to take send out in a star. Last time I freaking tornado take me away. A 3 week me missing for. Understand the fuck we again and send me out in a them time. Put man in a below freezing when I can ask man out there. Yo, I told me I try change but me not give a one-way ticket to way up on the ancestor them, you know. Man, 2 testicle them turn ball sick. I step on my balls, dog. You better on the go here, man.
Stay tuned for more.